If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate levels. So today we'll see what is pole and polar of a parabola. Okay, then let's see this. Now again, what is pole, polar? Again, I am not explaining what is pole and polar because I have explained it in depth in case of circle. What do you mean by pole and polar? So what was the, I am taking again reference from the circle. So this point is given to you and this parabola is given to you. So what was the equation for the polar? SS1 equal to 0. Polar COC tangent, all where SS1 equal to 0. So if the point is given to you, the pole, the point is known as pole and the straight line you got, that is the polar. So this is the equation of the polar. And P is obviously, here it is, it can be inside, on the circle, outside. Because what was the polar? If you draw it from a point, it cuts at 2 points. This is the point P. At that point, if you draw tangents, whatever tangents, so suppose this also, so you draw all these tangents, the intersecting point, they are on a same line. That is the equation of the polar. You can remember it. I have explained it in case of circle. Now reverse. Suppose your polar is given, you need to find pole. So this is the circle, this is the parabola is given and this is polar. Now you need to find the pole. So suppose the pole I don't know. So with respect to x1, y1, this is the pole equation we know. This is the equation of the pole. Polar. If pole is given to you, then this is the equation of the polar. So this should be of same fashion. If I can make it in this way, the way it is made, so I can now correlate what should be this one. Because these and these are same, then you can find x1 and y1. Because you need to find x1, y1 pole. So if you equate this, so this should be give me same line, because this line is the polar they have given. From my calculation, this is polar, but they have given this is polar. So my one is equal to their one. So this by this, this by this, this by this are okay. So from here you can calculate your x1, y1. So this is the pole. That is the required. So you can remember it, or you can remember it in this way also. These articles is also important, how these are coming. And if you can remember the formulas, that will save lots of your time. At least you should remember from where it is coming. So if you forget the formula also in the exam, you can approach it. Because each question becomes a formula. Each article is here, it becomes a question. So you can think of, I am discussing different types of questions. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.